So many harsh words.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I'd like to talk about love. I'd like to talk about how love has made me the man that I am today. Love has fueled me as a gay man in Jamaica to being happy. I feel comfortable, I feel free, and it's because of love. It's because of the love I've gotten from family and friends. It's the love I've gotten from the people that I'm around, the people in my country. And yes, I have experienced prejudice and hate against me and my sexuality and people that I choose to love, but it's love. That's what it is. You continue to love, you give love when you can, and you give love to everyone that you can in order to make a difference. And the only way that we can make a difference as the LGBT community is to continue to give love. Embody the love that we would like to see in the world, embody the love that we'd like to see in our country. Love is my mantra. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaicans.
And we fight, but tonight we're gonna be alright.